Got today we're gonna be doing a I'm lagging again. Guys, I'm until I make a video. I'm doing a Stormhammer review. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk for a while, so yeah. Guys, I am making hammer review. Laser, you can be my co-YouTuber. Okay, let's go, YouTubers. Okay, so I'm gonna be Sonic. Let's go. Beast. I'm a YouTube company. Well, good for you. I'm just faking. No, I just died. Cool. Oh. Oh, come on. Laser Gaming. I watch your videos. Oh, I thought I said Laser Gaming. I meant Lowe's Gaming. And if that is the real name, I do watch your videos to elect your noob to a pro. It's a really good video for me. That's how I become a pro. Like, whenever I watch that video, I feel like a noob a lot. Oh my god, guys. Oh. Who's that? Guys, no! How do I keep dying? It's not just my bigger maps. YouTube friends are joining. Man, these are real pro right here. Come on, pro. How do you keep going? Let's go to shop, guys. To my other gun I like to use. Come on. I'm letting so bad so I can use my gun pro, my other bears. Like YouTube. No, I just died. I just grabbed ammo. Manager text me. I know he ain't. He's just lying. He said there are 3. Oh, man. More spots. Gotta kill myself, because I only have 3 more spots, manager. I can't even kill no one. I got someone. Trying to get a good. Oh no! ruined the camera review. Oh my god, I am so sorry, guys. I forgot about that. I messed up with the video. I messed up the video, guys. So if you're watching this, I want to put in the comments if you're going to the comments first instead of watching the video. But guys, I forgot I was making the Storm Hammer review. I was on the Storm Hammer review. Messed it up. I make like just playing with any gun. I all in the place, but hope you guys enjoy. And tell me in the comments how funny that was that I forgot this was the Storm Hammer review. So see you guys later, and peace out.